I'm going to show you how to use a powerful moving average strategy on TradingView to make money. Let's get straight into the video. Moving averages are lines that traders use on the chart to show the average price of the market over a set number of days. Well, we are going to use them in today's awesome strategy along with a few time of the day tricks to make great profits. So hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy the video, and let's get straight into building this strategy. We will only be taking trades after a certain time of the day, and not only that, but we will also be looking at a certain setup to take to aid this using price action. The moving averages that we are about to add will play an important role in serving that strategy, so make sure you're on TradingView, click the indicators at the top. And before I show you the indicator, let me quickly tell you why you are missing more profits by not using FLUX CHARTS yet. I wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. FLUX CHARTS has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself, and thank you again to FLUX CHARTS for sponsoring today's video. So let's get back to it. The first indicator we will be adding is a moving average combination. We will use this to identify trend of market and prepare for signals. Click the indicators tab again at the top left, and from here we are going to search moving average times 2. Add this one to your chart. Once it's added, double click on it to open the settings. We are going to be setting both of the moving averages lengths to 20. Set source 1 to high and set source 2 to low. This will mark the moving averages at the highs and lows based on the previous period. I have also changed the color and made the lines more visible. Now they are on the chart, let's talk about the other features this strategy has that the moving averages aid with. As we can see, these lines closely follow price on the 1 minute chart, and we can use this almost like the Bollinger Bands indicator to pick out our trades. But before we even think about opening any positions, we need to understand what is going on in the overall market, and this will help us avoid those bad trades. To prepare for trading, we will first be drawing a box from midnight to 8 AM UK time, and this marks out the usual consolidation zone for the day and opens us up to trading at the start of the London session. We will also be focusing on the New York session and the crossover between the two. By drawing a box around the first 8 hours of the market, we can determine the overall market psychology for the rest of the day we are trading. You can also change the time zone on TradingView to help with that, but it isn't needed. It's important to know that we will only be working with candle closures during this strategy, so when drawing the box, do not include the candle wicks for the highs and lows, only solid candles. After the box time frame has ended, the London session will begin, and we can now look to take our trades. But how do we do this? Let me show you. Step 1 for this strategy after marking out the box is to wait for price to break and close past the high or low of the box. This shows psychology strength and will help us take our trade soon. The next step is to then wait for price to pull back inside of the box zone, shown with these lines. And now here is where the moving averages come into play. After the pullback, we want to see price come back inside the green and red average range, and our final step for entry will be when the price breaks outside of the moving averages with candle closure. If price doesn't close back outside of the intended direction but inside and keeps moving in the opposite direction, then the first push outside isn't valid anymore and we need to wait for step 1 to play out again. So for a sell trade, we want to see the price break out of the box zone during the London or New York session, then pull back into the moving averages. The next step is for price to close back outside and below the red moving average. And on candle close, we can take our entry with this breakout. Our stop loss will be placed at the green moving average line, and we will target a 2 risk to reward ratio. And that trade hit for a perfect 2% on the account. I don't recommend going over 1% risk per trade as we are trading on the lower 1 minute market. And finally, nice and simple, the same applies for a buy. We wait for price to break and close above the box's high, then pull back inside to the moving averages with some sort of rejection off of the red MA. Then price pushes up, closing above the green MA. And here we take our trade with the stop loss at the red moving average, and of course targeting that 2 risk to reward ratio. Like I mentioned previously, we want to see a breakout, pull back, and then a continuation in smooth order. If we see a breakout, then pull back, but price keeps going past both moving averages, then this is no longer valid, and we would wait for a second breakout, pullback, and finally continuation of price. So let me show you the awesome results for this free TradingView scalping strategy. Please hit that like button and let's get into it. And here we can see the results. We started with $100 in the account over 100 trades, and we had 59 wins and 41 losses, giving us a win rate of 59%. Very nice to see while scalping, and making 113% profit on the account, giving us a profit factor of 2.88. I really like how simple this strategy can be, and there is some nice free session indicators on TradingView to save you drawing all of those boxes. But I hope this video has helped you. Please check out FLUX CHARTS in the comments, and thank you as always for watching today's video. Hopefully we can reach 20,000 subscribers soon, and if there's any strategies or pairs that you would like me to test, then let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching the video.